Hi, so welcome to your seat modeling tutorial. So we're going to have to, in order to cut it out from the CNC router, our seat, we are going to have to model it first. So what we're going to do, have a new file, check our drawing to have a look at our measurements. So we've got an outer circle of 250 and an inner circle of 127, and the space is for our seat plate. So we're going to create a sketch, and we're going to put it on this plane here. I'm going to create a circle and enter in the diameter. I type in 250, and then we're going to create the inner circle, which is 127. And if you're unsure, you can go back to your plan and double check. So now we've got our two circles. We can finish our sketch, and we can turn this into a 3D model. So we use the extrude function, and we select our planes or profiles, and then we type in 18 millimeters because that's the thickness of the wood that we're using, and we can press OK. So that's our seat. But the next step is to make the little bit for our seat plate to sit into, which is this little section in here. So we know that it's 3 mil deep. So in order to do that, we want to rotate our model towards the bottom so you can see. We want to turn on our sketch, our visibility, so we can see this section. We're going to go to extrude again, select that profile, and we want to select 3 mil, and then OK. And then we can turn our sketch off, and then we have our little section for our seat plate to sit into. And the last bit that we have to do for our seat is it has a radius around the edge here, which is 6 millimeters. So we're going to use the fillet tool. We select this edge, we type in 6 millimeters, press OK, and that is our seat finished. The next thing we have to do is we have to save it. Seat, so that we don't lose any of our progress. And that's it.